Hey, it's Sam. Before we dive into this lesson, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We drop lessons every week from the world's best guitar players. With that, let's check out the lesson.
Building good practice habits is key to playing faster. And the way to do that is consistency. Pick some of these exercises or pick all of them that we cover in this masterclass and practice them daily. You could even interchange, like 5 one week and 5 another week, and then interchange every week, changing which 5 you focus on. But you want to do this consistently. However much time you do during the day and whatever times of day, try to target those same times a day and the same amounts of time. Most times I'll use a timer just so I make sure I go like 30 minutes or make sure I go 60 minutes to be very, very, very consistent. And when you're practicing, make sure that you're paying attention to the details. Practicing can be difficult for a lot of people because it is self-accountability and there's nobody there to kind of like tell you you're doing it wrong or doing it right even. So just always like check your details, check your notes, check your tempo and your timing, and be really detailed about the experience. Very cognitive practicing. For these foundational elements, a lot of times I'll also practice and jam to music, and that's a lot different. That's a lot more relaxed. I'll learn my favorite guitar parts or my favorite songs and kind of put them together in a playlist and then play through them as if I'm playing like a live set per se. But for this type of practicing, you definitely want to do a specific amount of time. And you also want to log your tempos. It's a good way to track your progress. So if the first day you do an exercise at 70 BPM and you do that for a week, then maybe the next week you go up to 80 BPM. And you want to keep track of that so you can also keep track of how fast you're getting. Another key thing with practicing is if you increase the speed and you now can't play it, don't continue to force that speed because you will be training yourself with bad habits. You want to play it at the speed you're most comfortable at until you know it, and then start increasing the speed in small increments of 5 to 10 BPM at a time. And that's how I practice and put together my practice schedule for the week. It's just depending on what skills I want to attack, whether it's legatoing or, right hand exercises or neck accuracy. And then I put a regimen together for that week, covering specific elements, and then set the amount of times, 45 minutes a day or 45 minutes twice a day. And just make sure you stay as consistent as possible with that. And that's how you'll see great progress that you can really be proud of.
Thanks for checking out this video. For tabs and more tutorials from the world's best guitar players, check out Pickup Music. We've got a 14-day free trial. It's the fastest way to level up your guitar playing. See you there.